here. So how can you bend your elbow? How can you catch? Never. Some people they open too much. If you open too much, so how can your palm reach your lumbar? Never. So open leg according to your height. Or open leg according to your flexibility. Okay, so you can judge with your mat. So open leg side to side your mat. According to your height is okay. This is okay. Bend down. See, in this posture, if your leg straight, so how can you reach there? Never. Some people they try from leg straight. So how can you reach there? Never. Before what we need to do, bend your knee up chin. Okay. After that, catch your ankle first here. When you catch your ankle, so what happen? You can push your ankle forward and pull your spine down. Understand? So ankle give you support. When you push, so your spine will go down. Okay, now important thing, see here. Why some people they cannot catch palm? Because your shoulder not close to knee. Your shoulder always here. Here. After that, if you try to bend elbow, so what happen? You can't reach there. So first focus your shoulder close to your knee and feel the gap. This. Understand here. You come? Okay. So why people say, teacher, why I cannot do from this problem? Your shoulder not near to your knee. Here. Second problem, some people they put palm is here. You can see this area is big, higher, and this area is small. Small, you see. This is a higher and big, this is a small one. So always put palm here. So easy to catch palm, because if you put palm here, when you both palm here, so very hard to close. So always bend. In this position, no need to shoulder opening. In this position, we need to only elbow bend. So easy to bend elbow here. See. Tired? Okay. Relax.
Khi mà mình để tay lên thì cái tiết diện của cái lưng nó lại nhỏ hơn so với cái mông, cho nên mình để lên cái lưng nó dễ nặng hơn để trên cái mông.
I know. I will tell you how to do. Do again. More tight. How? Not here. Not too much. Okay. Here. Okay. If her feel the gap, some more thigh here. See, now she easy to catch. Why? Because her shoulder proper way, side to side, close to the knee. But if same time, you understand, because her shoulder close to knee. But if same time, do this here. Okay, now the thigh. Do this, the thigh. This position for beginner. Why they cannot do? Because you see her shoulder not close to the knee. That's why they can't reach here. But same situation, if you think you cannot do, so we can use towel. Okay, towel.
Cho cái canh. Muốn cục dây cũng được. Dây.
Okay, this okay. Okay, now you see beginner person what they mistake from here. Do. Okay, for beginner, catch okay. This one catch. If your shoulder not open, I'm sure you can't reach there. Okay, proper way. I'm sure beginner person have same situation, but from here no need to leg straight. First you need to move your hand here. Try to step. Okay, tell her move your hand here. Same like step here. So move your hand here. Close. Can you explain her? Because from here to here no need to shoulder opening. From here to here only bend elbow. Because this joint move here. Okay? Yes. And now you tell her do yourself close.
tay luôn á.
No need to close, just here, okay? This is the beginner person position and this is the medium person position, same like that. So how can we adjust? That's why we need to teacher help. My adjustment, when I push her, so she can able to catch. Okay, who cannot do this push her?
Ai không thể làm.
Come. Let's see my adjustment, she can catch her palm or not. I think your shoulder not open too much. This is okay, first you catch. Do yourself first. Let's see she can do or not, okay? Okay. So now you see my adjustment, okay? Then I will show you where I need to put palm, where we need to put it, okay? Now you chuk chuk thigh, okay? So now inhale, Chanthan, come on, catch palm, catch palm, catch palm, catch, 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 catch proper way. Okay, Chanthan, she can do or not?
Là chị có làm được không?
Được.
Hana.